my name is Phil, and this is Better English. In this video, I'm going to introduce IELTS. I'm going to talk about what it is, how it works, and what you need to do. This will be the first of many videos, so this is just a summary. I'll go into much more detail in the future. If I look a bit tired, it's because I've been up all night making this video. But anyway, let's get on with it. So to begin, what is IELTS? Well, IELTS stands for International English Language Testing System. In other words, it's an English test. Your IELTS score is used to prove your current English abilities. It is used by universities, employers, and immigration departments all around the world. You are tested on the 4 skills. Those are speaking, listening, reading, and writing. You are given a band score between 0 and 9 for each of the 4 skills, and your overall score is the average of those 4 scores. So the skills are equally important. You cannot fail IELTS, but you might need a particular band score to achieve your goals. For example, you might need a band 6 overall to get your dream job. To increase your score by 1 point, it is said that you need to study for about 200 hours. In my experience, people often underestimate how much time and work is needed to get a high IELTS score. If you need a band 6.5 and you're currently around band 5, you need to do about 300 hours of study. Luckily, you have us to help you. So that's a summary of the IELTS test. I will go into everything in much more detail. I will cover the 4 skills that I mentioned, vocabulary, grammar, pronunciation, everything you really need. Of course, if you have any questions or suggestions, please put them in the comments below. I do read everything and I try to reply to everything as well. Please like, share, subscribe, click on the notifications bell. It really does help us to continue making these videos for you. You can also follow us on Instagram. I'll put the link below. And also, if you want to improve your pronunciation, you can check out our affiliate. There is a coupon code, so you can get a 20% discount, and I'll put all the details below. Thank you very much for watching. Please stay tuned. There'll be a new video soon. Bye-bye. What do you think?
You look a little bit scary sometimes.
Scary? Nah.